Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm on the way to Alwada Mall for our fellowship meeting today. Still very hot. It's already almost October, but the weather still summer. Hot daw. Summer is very low. The summer started. The hot weather started April until now. June, July, August, September. Already 5 months. What happened to my cell phone? I became very, very dark. See? Oh. So dark, became dark. My cell phone became dark. I'm here and I'm going to the bus stop. This is Hamdan Street. There's no bus near the house going to Alwada Mall. The bus pass by there is going to Marina Mall.